Your local electric cooperative is known for supporting sustainable technologies and alternative energy sources. We also support another important resource, our area's youth. Our programs offer students opportunities to travel to our nation's capital and observe our legislative process firsthand, meet our nation's leaders, and network with other students from around the U.S. Students are encouraged to develop the skills they'll need to become our community's future leaders.
When we went to the Capitol, we actually had tickets to go sit in on the House of Representatives in session and the Senate in session, and that was my favorite part.
We did like leadership building activities, and we toured all over DC. It was pretty amazing, and we met with our representatives and talked to them for a little bit.
It was also an interesting look into politics itself. Just by being in Washington, D.C., and getting to meet these representatives, we learned a lot about just how politics works at the federal level, which was something that you can't really get out of a typical history class or even a government class. You just don't get that real-world experience.
If you want to be on the Youth Leadership Board at the Congress, you can talk to any of the youth board members and they can kind of tell you what we do. At the elections, you give a speech saying why you want to be on the youth board and how you think it would benefit you and what you can bring to the youth board. And then everybody votes, and then the youth board is revealed at the end of the Congress.
Students also gain a deeper understanding of the cooperative business model and the underlying principles that make it effective. Through these experiences, students learn how to apply these principles in their own lives.
Through the co-op, I've gone to the Youth Leadership Congress, and I learned a lot about cooperative principles and the 7 cooperative principles, but the one that I think is really most important for leadership is the cooperation aspect and also the concern for community.
It's been a great experience. I've gotten a lot out of it, and it's really changed who I am. And
I knew next to nothing about cooperatives before I joined the program, so to a friend I'd say go for it, get involved in your local cooperative's Youth Ambassador program, and I think you'll really like it.
Learn more about how you can get involved by visiting nreca.coop or contacting your local electric cooperative.